say, you know what, I'm gonna dedicate my life or a period of my life to serving my country. When, hey, there's probably a lot of other things.
It's going to tip over again. You can't get on it. What just happened? Huh? What just happened? Freaked you out, didn't it? Mama, save me. What did Go Bucks do?